What is going on in the mortgage world right now? If you're a first-time buyer looking to buy a house and you need a mortgage, check out this video. Hi there, my name's Lee Everett. I've been an estate agent in Essex, the UK for nearly 17 years. And if you're after the best tips and advice on how to buy and sell property, please hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you get a notification every time I post a video. So I'm going to start this video off a little bit different. You may notice I'm in an empty place right now, hence the echo. I'm in a unique position where I can show you, my lovely viewers, maybe a new property each time I do a video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to overlay some video footage of this property, and I want you to try and guess the price. Now I know this might be hard because you don't know where I am, but I'm going to tell you I'm in Essex in a little town called Clacton-on-Sea, and it's a 2-bedroom first floor flat in East Clacton. So based on that information and the pictures and the video you can see right now, let me know what you think this property is worth in the comment section below. The right answer, I don't know, can get a shout out in the next video if that's something you'd like. Yeah, good luck. All this week, almost every day, one of the major newspapers or web news places have been pumping out articles as how hard it is to get a mortgage and how so many of the lenders are restricting who they're lending money to and how much as well. And I think if you're a first-time buyer right now, it can be very, very, very difficult to know if you can get a mortgage or not. And I'm part of a Facebook first-time buyer help group, and there seems to be so many people who have saved so hard to try and get their 10% deposit over the last so many years, and now they're going to a lender or a mortgage broker and they just can't get a mortgage. So can you imagine, you've saved for years and years and years, scrimped and scraped and put every ounce or every pound of disposable income into a savings account to get to this position right now, and you've gone to a bank or a broker and they've not been able to give you or get you a mortgage. It must be so tough. And I've spoken to a couple of mortgage brokers that I deal with personally and through work, and they're noticing the amount of deals for 15% mortgages are getting smaller and smaller by the day. And if you're to get one of these 15% mortgages, then your credit has got to be squeaky clean, and some aren't doing them on leasehold properties or anything over a certain age. So you've really got to do your research with a mortgage broker to find out if you're going to be eligible for a mortgage right now. Now, if you've got a 20% deposit, then it should be a hell of a lot easier. Obviously, the more money you can put down, the less risk for the lender to lend you the money, but it's looking increasingly likely that 15 to 20% deposit is going to be the new normal for some time. That the banks are using what's going on in the world as a perfect reason or excuse to tighten up the lending criteria, and the government isn't going to say you can't do that because, well, the government have got other things on their mind at the moment. Speak to a mortgage broker. If you haven't spoken to a mortgage broker in the last 2 or 3 weeks, or you haven't had your mortgage application submitted in the last couple of weeks, it might be worth speaking to a mortgage broker. If you don't have one and you want me to recommend one, I've got a couple of ones that I can put your way, or go by recommendations from friends or family or local estate agents or what have you. But so not a very informative video in terms of how to buy a house or anything like that, but I thought it was a big bit of news, a big bit of information which some people might not know, or if you did know, please understand you're not alone. So many people at the moment are looking for their first house with that 10% or even 15% deposit and now aren't able to buy. But stick at it. You've got your 10%, you can get to 15, you can get to 20, it might take you a little longer, but who knows, the banks might start lending again, might do higher loan to values when all this starts to blow over, if it does in the near future. But yeah, just keep the hope, keep the faith, keep saving. Again, speak to your broker. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it to somebody else. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and remember, leave a comment if you want to try and guess the price of this 2-bedroom first floor flat in East Clacton. Yeah, put it in the comment section below, subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Take care.